What is SaaS? Software as a Service Explained. Hey everyone, welcome back to my Cryptos. Ever wondered how tools like Gmail or Zoom just work? No downloads needed? Today we're breaking down SaaS, Software as a Service. Think of it as the Netflix of software. Grab your snack and let's dive in. SaaS is software hosted in the cloud, accessed via the internet. No CDs, no installations, just log in and go. Remember buying Microsoft Office on a CD? Now, Office 365 runs in your browser. That's SaaS, subscription-based, always updated, and hassle-free. How SaaS works? Here's the magic. You pay a monthly fee, like Netflix. The provider hosts everything on their servers. Need more users or features? Just click Upgrade. They handle security, updates, and backups. You focus on work. It's like renting a fully furnished apartment versus building a house. Graphic of subscription model versus one-time purchase. Benefits of SaaS. Why SaaS? Let's count the ways. 1. Cost-effective. No upfront costs. Pay as you grow. Scalable. Add features or users in seconds. 3. Accessible. Work from anywhere, any device. 4. Auto updates. Wake up to new features, no extra charge. Clip of phone receiving update notification. Fast-paced montage of app logos. Google Workspace, Salesforce, Slack, Zoom. Host on camera. You're already using SaaS. Gmail for emails, Canva for designs, Spotify for music. All SaaS. Businesses love Slack for teamwork or Salesforce for CRM. It's everywhere. Why SaaS is popular. With remote work booming, SaaS is a 200 by plus industry. It's perfect for teams spread across the globe. Real-time collabs, instant updates. It's the future of work. SaaS market to grow 18% annually by 2030, Forbes. But wait, SaaS isn't flawless. You need